In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a checkbox in PowerPoint in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful trick if you want to create checklists, interactive slides, training presentations, or just make your PowerPoint look more organized and professional. And the best part is, it only takes a minute once you know where to click. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add the checkbox. Once you're ready, look at the top menu and click Insert. This is where PowerPoint keeps a lot of the tools you'll use for adding special characters and symbols to your slides. After that, find and click Symbol. If you don't see it right away, it may be inside of the drop-down depending on your version of PowerPoint, so just look carefully in the Insert tab. When the symbol window opens, you'll see a list of different characters and icons you can insert into your slide. Now here's the important part. In the font dropdown, change the font to Wingdings or Segoe UI Symbol. These fonts are commonly used because they include checkbox style symbols that are easy to use in PowerPoint. Once the correct font is selected, scroll through the symbols until you find the checkbox that you want. You can choose an empty checkbox like this one, or a checked box if you want the tick already included. The empty box usually looks like a square, and the checked version looks like a box with a check mark inside. After selecting the checkbox symbol, click Insert. PowerPoint will place the checkbox directly onto your slide. From there, you can resize it, move it around, and position it wherever it fits best in your design. If needed, you can also copy and paste it to create multiple checkboxes for a checklist layout. This is especially helpful if you're building task slides, to-do lists, surveys, or training materials. And just like that, your checkbox is added in PowerPoint. It's a small detail, but it can make your slides look a lot more polished and easier to understand. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.